Okay, in this lesson I want to show you how to square certain numbers like 13, 22, 31. The number 13 is made up of the number 1 and the number 3. There are 3 steps involved in working out 13 times 13. The first thing you need to do is square the first one. So 1 times 1, because you square it, is 1. So you write that down. Second thing you need to do is square the 3 in your 13. 3 times 3 is 9, sorry. So you put your 9 there. Now what you need to do is you got 13. So what you need to do is 1 times 3, which is 3, and you double that, which is a 6, and you put it in between. And you end up with 169, meaning that 13 times 13 is 169. To recap, 1 comes from 1 times 1 from the 13. 9 comes from 3 times 3 in the 13. And 6 comes from the 1 times 3 from the 13, which you need to double. And you end up with 169. Let's do this next example here. 22 times 22. Okay, the first number will be 2 squared, which is 4. The next number will be, or the next step, the second step will be 2 squared again from the 22, which is a 4. And in between, we put down 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, because we need to double it, and we get 484. 22 is not a good number to use as an example, but you get the idea. 4 comes from this 2 times 2. That 4 here comes from that 2 squared, and that 8 comes from 2 times 2 from 22, which we double. Let's do one more example. 31. 31 is made up of 3 and 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. And then we need to multiply 3 times 1 from the 31, which is 3. And we double it, which is a 6. And there you have it. 31 times 31 is 961. You may need to watch this particular lesson several times to get the hang of it, but it's pretty straightforward once you get the idea. You square the first number, you square the last number, and then you multiply the two numbers together, double them, and that's the number that goes in the middle. Okay.